Hello everyone, my name is Nigel. I'm also known as a Lake Erie vlogger, and I'd like to welcome you to the channel if you're new here. And for those people returning, I want to say hello and welcome back. I also want to say a happy new year to you all. It is the first video I'm making of 2025, so I'm wishing you all a very happy new year, and I hope the new year, the year of 2025, is a good one for you. All right, let's move along to what I'm doing today. For those people who have been on my channel and watched many of my videos, you're probably wondering it looks different. Well, yeah, that's correct. I'm inside. I'm not outdoors. Usually my videos start with me out on the water or by the water, and it features the water, which is actually going to happen in this video, but it's slightly different. So I'm filming this beginning of January. The shipping season is now coming to an end. Most of the ships are heading to winter layups. So I have a backlog of videos from September, October, November, and December, which I purposely recorded and never actually edited and put out, knowing I'm going to need 2 or 3 months worth of video to put in the dead time, which is January to March. As the season now winds down, the canal will close and there'll be no ship movements until the canal reopens at the end of March. So that's what we're going to do. So the first video I'm going to be showing you today is a video I started filming up at Lock 7 in Thorold on the Welland Canal, and then I followed it kind of down into Lock 6, and it transitions into another video which will be part 2 of this one, I guess. So I'm not going to call it part 1 and 2, but this one is going to be of the CSL Niagara as it transitions, as it comes along the wall, making its way into lock number 7. Then it'll go down to 7 and it'll head out towards Lock 6, and that's where the next video will start in a few days time, hopefully, which is where I'll be filming and showing you the Navi Bulgar Shipka, which is coming out of Lock 6 and heading to Lock 7, and the two of them will pass nicely and it'll be on the drone. So for today's video though, we're just concentrating on CSL Niagara. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. If you can, before we start this particular video, if you can just hit that subscribe button and the like button, it would really help me with the channel, help it grow with the algorithm and everything else like that. With that said, sit back, relax and enjoy. This is CSL Niagara from the 13th of December 2024. Hello ship watchers, ship junkies, and all you fans out there of vessels of the Great Lakes. Down at the Welland Canal here. I'm actually at Thorold, just by Lock 7. And if you just watched the earlier video, I was actually filming Lufty, which was an amazing capture, by the way. So anyway, there was another vessel waiting to go down. So this is a very quick video. This is of CSL Niagara, which is what you can probably hear as it comes chugging towards me. And she's on her downbound to Lake Ontario. So we're actually just at the south end of Lock 7. Never been to this location until I found a Lufty one. And it was really, really good. So it's going to be a short video of CSL Niagara just position herself into Lock 7. So enjoy. And this is why I can't get the drone up, because of all these bloody gulls here. Look at them all.
I'm gonna get shit on.
Oh, they don't poop on me. Okay, I'm gonna move down here a bit. She's a little backlit right now because the sun's just around that cloud, but I think once she starts getting ahead of me, we should start seeing a bit more light on it. I'm still kind of pointing into the sun. A bit of unique patchwork there. Anyone know what that is? A little bit of snow just on top. She's lining up now, just swinging round. I ain't going past that. Well, after a very long wait for the lock doors to close, I mean, I was there for nearly 25 minutes, I think, before those doors closed, but it's now closed, and now CSL Niagara is being lowered in the lock and making our way down to the next portion of water to take it to lock 6, which isn't very far. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Until the next one, stay safe. See you all very soon.